Hey guys, it's Nikki and welcome to this week's new release video. Before I get started, there's a couple of things. So we're not going to be doing the kits at the special like sale price anymore. We're going to try it out this way. That was something that was only intended to be for a short period of time anyway. And I did a poll in the Facebook group yesterday, so this is what was voted on. So what we're going to be doing instead is when you purchase a new release kit, Thursday through Sunday, that kit will come with a special freebie. And I made this so that it was a little bit easier on me, and also so hopefully there's not any confusion about it. When you go onto the website, and I just realized I can't show you guys because it's not available yet. 1 second, let me make this available and then I can show you guys how this works. Okay, you guys will probably also notice I totally redid the website. I think it's a little bit cleaner the way that it is now at this, like the new way that it is. So it's definitely a bigger change on the desktop, but on a mobile device, which is what I'm going to show you guys on, it is still a decent change. So now for your menu, you will be able to click right there. And as you can see, that will pull up your home menu. There are drop downs within those menus, and there's a really handy search bar right at the top. So I think that this will work out nicely. Let me go home really quick. We do have sections within here. You are still able to add to your cart directly from the home screen. Just a bunch of collections down through here. On mobile, this looks even better, but, or not mobile, I'm sorry, but desktop. So this is how, oh no. Okay, well, I was gonna show you how this works, but now it's not coming up. Let me do a search and see if I can find it. There we go. So for a new release kit, oh, Ozzy's gonna start. What you would do is, there's no image for this yet because I'm not finished. What you would do, okay, sorry guys, I did not have that set up ready to do this video. Okay, let's try again. So what you're gonna do is, here's the new releases. This doesn't have an image yet because I've not gone in to do that yet because these shouldn't be live yet. So it will say, it would normally have the picture there. And then you'll see down here where you can choose between the base or the base with the ombre. And then underneath it, you'll see where it says add foil tinsel to cart and get a free gift, which is the new release freebie, which I'll show you guys in just a second. So what I'm gonna do just to show you guys is go ahead and add this to my cart. So there it is, there's the kit, and then the freebie gets added to your cart automatically for $0. And it will apply for, say I did both Tinsel and the other new freebie, which is, or the other new kit, which is Stay In, it would automatically add 2 of these. So these are gonna show on the site as this pink. I may change that to avoid confusion, but they will actually match the kit. So in the item's description, it does say that these will match the kit that it goes with. Freebie will match kit color / foil. But I just wanted to show you guys really quickly exactly how that works on the website. So you'll know that you're getting the freebie because it will just automatically add to your cart once you add in one of these kits. After Sunday night, that will go away and then it will be just the kit. But I just wanted to make sure everybody, like I made it really clear, and I'm gonna try to make it really clear on the graphics that that freebie isn't for all orders. It's only if you buy the new kits, and we're gonna try doing that every week for the next few weeks and just kind of see how it goes. So let's get into the new stuff. And I'm super pumped. These came out, like I wanted to redo these. Let me start there. So we've had these 2 kits before, but they are totally different now. And I am really excited for the way that they turned out. So I will show you the kit and then I will show you the freebie that comes with it if you order during the weekend. So the first one that I've got here, this is the Tinsel collection. Last year we had this as Gold Christmas and it just had some falling snowflake patterns, but I wanted to try something totally different and I love how this turned out. So you guys getting close. First box, you've got some ornaments. There is no foil there. The second box, you've got these packages and you can see there's a foil gift tag coming off of one of those. Third box is the tree with the ornaments, no foil. This box here has got your little scene with a tree and a chair, and as you can see, there are some foiled lights coming off the ceiling. This box here says, don't get your tinsel in a tangle. This is dark gold foil. I don't know if I mentioned that. Over here, we've got this sweater material, and then you have got, is this showing up? My lighting right now is a bit off. You've got this like package bow running across it. Down here, we have got these really cute mittens as well as just some pine. And then there is this foiled tree branch or kind of like a vine coming over. Down here we've got the packages with the feet, and we've got this little stocking, which I thought was so cute. And then over here there are some more packages, and then we've got a foiled package as well, which I thought was super cute. So I'm obsessed with how this turned out. I did the other kit in a very similar way. It is a photo kit as well. But that is your first page of this kit. I'm gonna zoom you guys whoop, wrong one. Just a bit, there we go. It's not really enough, but it's okay. So that is your first sheet. I love how this turned out. Second sheet, you have got, oh my God, this printed incorrectly, and I'm at my house, not at mom's. Oh boy. Okay, well, let me show you this sheet then from the other kit. So all of these boxes here should have foil, and they don't. That's my fault. I printed these wrong. I can't believe I did that and didn't notice. So these two boxes here have this snowflake. For this kit, it's actually gonna have some lights that go across. You guys can check the images that will be on the website. Also, these are up now if you're watching this video. That will show the like stock image with the foiling on these pages. I don't know how I missed that. And then these boxes have bows. Down here we've got your functional, and then we've got your bow checklist, ombre bow checklist, your snowflake banners down at the bottom. I kept those for both of these kits, and then you've got your appointment labels. Your next sheet here, I did another poll in the group too, and I asked if you guys wanted to keep all of these bow confetti or if you wanted to go like half and half, and majority said to keep these the same. So that's what I'm gonna do for now. I do think that I may in future kits do 3 rows of this and then 1 row of bows. But I'm not sure since this is what the group said they wanted. So you've got your cut washi, and then you have got your flags down here that have some foiling in them as well. And then this is your last sheet. Look at this bottom washi. So I upped the opacity on both of these so that you could really see the foiling. Look at that. So these have ornaments that are dropping down. So pretty. You have your date covers, your bow washi, some flags and arrows up top, weekly tracker and daily tracker. So that is the kit. There is also the option for the ombre heart checklist to be added in, and then this is the freebie. So for this kit, this would be the freebie. And I love this. So what I'm gonna do with these kits is just pick a color off of here, and that's what the background will be, and then the foil will be the same. So if you order from tonight until Sunday evening, you will see on the website where this will pop up for free with your order, and you will receive this as well. So let's take a look. These are some new icons that I've done that I'm obsessed with. So just to show you how they're cut really quickly, we have got the cut around them. They're not circles, if that makes sense what I'm trying to say. They're actually cut out around, please ignore my nails, around the item. So we have got a planner, a pillowcase with eyelashes that I think is so cute, bubble bath, some washi tape, an alarm, a television, trash can, these little panties that are on like a line where it's for laundry. I thought that was so cute. A wallet, a laptop, groceries, a cleaning the dishes, a dish, and like a wine glass. We have got a envelope here, washing machine, grocery cart, credit card, shipping box, and then a fork, spoon, and a knife. So those are your icons, and then down at the bottom, these are the new scripts. We're gonna be releasing these at some point, but I need to kind of figure out how I'm gonna do them. I don't wanna have each script have its own individual sheet because that ends up being way too much for us in the shop to keep up with. So I think what I'll probably do is have like a cleaning sheet, a planning sheet, a like a movie/media sheet, if that makes sense. I think I'm probably gonna do them like that. So for this one, I wanna get really close so you guys can see. These look like they're hand lettered, which I am obsessed. I searched for so long for a font so that things would look hand lettered because I don't particularly care much for my own handwriting, and I wanted to have something for myself. And then once I started playing with them, I figured we should add these to the shop as well. So the first one we've got is wash the dishes, fold the clothes, to do, work, appointment, pay the bills, clean the house, happy meal, sleep in, day off, to buy, take out the trash, and work out. So that is what the freebie will look like for any upcoming kit while we're still doing this promo. And it'll just be the color and the foil to match this. So this whole set here is the Tinsel collection. I'm in love, so in love. And then the next thing I've got here is another reformat that I did the same way. This is the Stay In collection. So I did this with rose gold foil. We've had it before in the shop. With this also had the falling snowflakes. With either silver foil, or you could choose gold or rose gold. I really like rose gold on this kit, so that is what we went with. And just get up really close here. There is no foil on the top boxes. We've got some slippers, this really cute knit hat, some hot chocolate with some peppermint. Over here we have got the sweater material, and then this cute little hat foiled. Here's the girl with her little beanie there. This fur background with these, oh my gosh, with these adorable little socks. Look at those. And then I'm gonna have to bend my sheets. Down here, we have got some sweater material with these cute little mittens. They even have little hearts and stuff on them. This planner with this blanket, and then over here, we have got this really cute deer, as well as this coffee cup that has a little peppermint in it, so I like to think that it's hot chocolate. And the patterns on these all go together really nicely, and I just thought this was so cute with the foiling. I really wanted to try to do some photo kits that had some foiling that wasn't just super basic. So your second sheet here, you have got your snowflake banners, checklist, functional, and your boxes. For these boxes, we do have that like snowflake flourish. I wanted to keep this one as winter based and not so much Christmas based as possible. So we've got that, and then your next sheet, you have got your headers, washi, and flags. And then for your bottom washi, you have got your bow washi right here, and then you've got Let's Stay In on the bottom washi, and then a snowflake foiled on the other side of that bottom washi, date covers, functional, and then your trackers. So I really love how that one turned out as well. You guys let me know if you want to see more photo kits like this, because I've got a few that haven't been done yet that I kind of want to do, but I don't know if everybody still loves photo kits or if those like aren't in style anymore. So that's that. And then the freebie for that one is this color right here with the rose gold. So same thing, you would just add it to your cart. This freebie will pop up as free in your cart, so at least through Sunday. So that one is Stay In with its freebie. And then I've just got 2 sheets that we're adding into the shop that are just those icons, or 4 sheets technically, that are just those icons. So for these, I have got Icons Volume 2 and Icons Volume 1. There were a lot of these I wanted to use. I had to really cut them down, obviously, for these sheets, but for these, I wanted to go ahead and use everything I wanted and just did 2 sheets. So for right now, we will have the option to have this pink or to have them on white. Those 2 things will be in the shop, but I wanted to kind of go over these really quickly as far as what is on what. Whew, this is a lot of talking. Okay, so for Icons Volume 1, you have a oven mitt with a whisk, a really cute sleep mask, you have a game controller, a movie reel, laundry basket, and a grocery cart. Next, you have got a makeup brush set, a, what's that called, like a KitchenAid, like a mixer. You've got this pig with the little money going in, like a little piggy bank. Words are hard today. Next, you've got a phone, and then you have a clipboard with a checklist. There is a paper clip. Next row is a credit card, a movie clipboard, is that what that's called? I'm not sure what that's called. A stethoscope, package, fork, spoon, and knife, a coffee cup, and then you've got a, I'm trying to make sure I'm in frame. You've got a spray cleaning bottle, grocery bag, hair dryer, coffee cup, nail polish, the Netflix symbol. Underneath that, you have got a cake with a candle, the Instagram symbol, a set of weights, an envelope, a laptop, a moon with a little heart, which I think is so cute. And then you have got some balloons, a telephone, a camera, a sofa, a wine glass, and then a present down at the bottom. So those are volume 1. And then for volume 2, we have got, here we go, maybe, yeah. A planner, pillow, bubble bath, washi tape, tea, television, a plant, which, how cute is that? The underwear, a wallet, a like desktop monitor, 2 clinking champagne glasses, the YouTube logo, alarm clock, shopping bag, calculator, trash can, umbrella, and gas pump. And then you've got a vacuum, a slice of pizza, a paw print, a tooth, a book, an airplane. Next, you've got a burger, medicine, a shoe, the dishwashing icon, and then a little bow paperclip, a Band-Aid, game console, that's a switch for sure, it's a switch, but boba tea, a haircut symbol like the comb and the scissors, and then a mop bucket, and then down here, look at this little portrait, a little silhouette portrait, and then a car over to the side. So those are the 2 volumes for, oh come on, don't do this camera. Those are the 2 volumes of icons. Whoop. We will bring in more colors at some point. Also, these are gonna be done for $2 Tuesday. So for the listing for these, I'll have it where you can either do one, both, or 1, 2, or both combined so that you're not having to go back and forth adding stuff. They'll both be in the drop-down listing. I think that's it. That was a lot. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments down below. I hope that you guys love everything. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know how you feel about the freebies, if it's missing anything, if there's too much of anything. And I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.